Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a website using cPanel and WordPress. So first, go to your cPanel, log in. Now scroll down and go to the Softaculous. And this is the WordPress managed by Softaculous. Just click on that. Now here you will see all of your website list. Now click on install. Choose installation URL. Choose the protocol. So you can choose HTTP or http://www. or you can choose https://. So I am gonna choose this. Now select your domain from here, and this is the version, which version you want to install. To keep it a latest version. On this section, site settings, site name. Here enter your site name. Site description, you can change the site description. Site language, and this section is for set admin user and admin password. So just copy the admin user and password so that you can use this credential in the future. And this is the admin email, you can change it from here. Now go to the bottom and then click on install. Now it will take a few moments. And congratulations, we have successfully installed WordPress in our cPanel. So now you can check your website, just click on the link. And this is our new website, and you can log into your dashboard. Just click on the link and then write WP admin. Click on enter. Now you need to enter the username and then enter the password. Now click on login. And this is our dashboard. So you can customize your website from here. So that's how you can create a website using cPanel and WordPress. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.